Hello friends, this product filter PHP project tutorial, and under this tutorial, we will learn how to add skeleton loading effect before the loading of product on a web page using Bootstrap 5 libraries and JavaScript. In the previous part, we have seen how to fetch product data from a database and display on a web page with pagination link by using a PHP script with JavaScript and Bootstrap library. Now for implement the skeleton loading effect under this product filter tutorial, first we have gone to index.html file. And here, we have created one more division tag with it is equal to skeleton area. Under this tag, we will make the skeleton of product loading before the loading of product on a web page. Now we have gone to JavaScript code part, and here we have created make skeleton function. Under this function, we have written output variable is equal to HTML code like division tag with class is equal to row. Below this, we have written for loop, and under condition, we have written variable count is equal to 0, the count variable value is less than 8, and count variable value increment by 1. Under this loop, we have written output variable, and here we have appended HTML code like division tag with class is equal to column medium 3, margin bottom 3, and padding 4 Bootstrap 5 library class. So it will make 4 columns in one row. For make the image load skeleton, here we have written output variable, and here we have appended HTML code like division tag with class is equal to margin bottom 2, background light and text dark class. Under this division tag, we have also added a style attribute is equal to height set to 240 pixels, so it will make the skeleton for image. Same for make skeleton for product name. Here we have written output variable, and here we have appended HTML code like division tag with class is equal to margin bottom 2, background light and text dark class. Next we want to set the height of this tag, so here we have written style is equal to height property set to 50 pixel. After this, we want to make a skeleton effect for product price, so for this, here we have written output variable, and here we have appended HTML code like division tag with class is equal to margin bottom 2, background light and text dark class. Next we want to set the height of this tag, so here we have written style attribute is equal to height property set to 25 pixels. So here, we have skeleton loading effect HTML code under this output variable. Now we have written return statement with output variable, so this is an output of this function. So here our function is ready. Now we have gone to load product function, and under this function, here we have written $function with division tag id product area with style.display is equal to none. So when the page will load, then it will hide product area division tag. After this, we have written $function with division tag id skeleton area .style.display property is equal to the blob, so it will display this skeleton area. Below this, we have again write $function with division tag id skeleton area with inner HTML is equal to make skeleton function. So under this tag, it will make skeleton loader, which will display on a web page when this load product function will be called. Next we have go to, at then end of this load product function, and here we have write, set timeout function, with 3000 millisecond, so it will call content of this function, after 3 second of page load. Under this function, we have written $function, with division tag id product area, with style.display is equal to the block, so it will display the content of this division tag on a web page. And below this, we have written $function, with division tag id skeleton area, .style.display is equal to none, so it will hide the content of this division tag from a web page. So here our code is ready. Now we have checked the output in the browser. Friends, here first we have refreshed web page, and after a refresh of a web page, here we can see that the gray color skeleton has been loaded first. And after some time, it has displayed product on a web page, so here we can see that the skeleton loading effect has been added to product load. Now we want to check that the skeleton loading effect is working on a pagination link, click event or not, so we have clicked on the next page link. So after clicking on pagination link, so here we can see that skeleton loading effect we can see on a web page, and after this it has display product on a web page with pagination link. So under this video tutorial, we have learned how to implement the skeleton loading effect under this product filter with pagination tutorial by using vanilla JavaScript with Bootstrap 5 libraries. In the next part, we will learn how to add brand filter to radio button filter under this product filter tutorial using PHP with vanilla JavaScript.